This lesson is solving a rational equation that simplifies to linear denominators a, x, or ax. So this is called a rational equation because there are ratios within the equation. Ratios are fractions. And then when we simplify it, when we're solving for b, it will be a linear. So we'll have like a ax plus b type of a solution. And they're giving us denominators. So the best thing to do in this situation is find the least common multiple of the denominators of the fractions that are within your equation. So our denominators are b and 3, and the LCM of b and 3 is 3b. So we're going to multiply the entire equation by 3b. When we multiply by 1, we get a 3b. When we multiply by 8 divided by b, the b's are going to cancel, and 3 times 8 is 24. When we multiply 3b by 5/3, the 3's will cancel, and we'll get 5b. So then we can subtract 3b from both sides. We're now at the point where we can solve for b, divide by 2, and b equals 12. All right, let's do another one. So we're going to look at our denominators. In this case, we just have a 3x. So if we start by just multiplying the entire equation by 3x, we'll be able to get rid of that denominator within our equation. So 3x times 5 is 15x. When we multiply 3x by 4 divided by 3x, the 3x is going to cancel, and we'll get 4. 11 times 3x is 33x. So what I'm going to do is subtract 15x and subtract 4 from both sides. So we have negative 4 equals 33 minus 15 is, I think it's 18x. Yes, and then we divide by 18. And we will simplify to negative 2/9 is equal to x. And we'll try one more for practice. So our common denominator here will be just y. We don't have to do y squared or anything like that. We're just going to multiply the entire equation by a y. Because that way, when we multiply each fraction that has a y in the denominator by y, we'll be able to cancel those. So when we multiply the first two, we're just given what's in the numerator because the y's will cancel. But we still have to multiply that 15 by y to get negative 15y. So I'm going to add 15y to both sides to make it positive and subtract 23, which is what I like to do. So I have 15y equals 30 minus 23, which is 7. And then I divide by 15, and that will give me y equals 7/15. Uh-oh, go back. What did I do? Ah! Give us a problem. Well, I lost it, but that's the end of the lesson.